watching another episode of
Piece of Cake!
Yep. And this is my third episode with them. Say your name, guys. This is
Paolo, Carson, Luke.
Look, and they're my boys. And this is like what? Day 14, right? Day
Yeah.
14 of quarantine. So we're finding ways to do something at home. They don't go to school. It's been 2 weeks now, but it's better than sorry, right? So you guys also stay home and stay safe. Watch us and learn, how to do things that will help you pass time at home with the kids. And before we move on, and let's invite them, guys. Please don't forget to
Subscribe and hit the like button.
Thank you so much, guys. And for today, we're gonna do
Mocha Meringue,
low carb and sugar free. Yes. So, what are our ingredients?
6 egg whites, 3/4 cup sugar-free powdered sugar,
3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder,
1/4 teaspoon coffee extract, 1 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar,
and a pinch of salt.
Okay, that's good. And this is very easy to make. Meringue is a really good snack with maybe tea, right, for adults, and coffee. And this is sugar-free. The first thing we need to do is beat the egg whites until we get a soft peak. So we're gonna put this egg white to here. You need to make sure your bowl is very clean. So this is already clean, but we're gonna wipe it with paper towel. Sorry.
parents these days.
We're gonna beat it until you get a soft peak.
This is what soft peak of egg whites look like.
So once we get the soft peak, what do we need to add in?
We need 1/2 teaspoon of
Tartar.
Cream of tartar.
cream
Put
of
that in.
tartar.
So after we add the cream of tartar, we will slowly add the sugar-free powdered sugar until we get a stiff peak on the egg. So slowly, we cannot pour this all at once, right? So a little bit at a time. So let's put just a little bit. You can put them all together at once. Beat that first. Beat that
Yeah, it's how much? Way too much.
until it blends first before you. Okay, a little bit. So we wanted to scrape the sides once in a while so that we make sure that everything is well blended, right? So scrape the side.
That's so creamy.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Think that's done. It's done.
Okay,
Put it down.
put it down.
How much?
10.
All the way to 10.
Well, when it's 10, everything starts falling down and then go to the sides.
This is a stiff peak.
Thick.
It's very thick. See, it's thick. So it's time to add in our extract. So the coffee extract, just a little. We don't want to add a lot because you're gonna eat it, right? Then
We're gonna add in the vanilla extract.
and then we're
We're
gonna
gonna
add
put the cocoa powder
cocoa powder.
in the bowl. And then we add in a pinch of salt.
Yes, put it down.
Once in a while, stop and scrape the side.
So after blending it together, all together here, we're gonna put it in a piping bag and put it here. This is our baking pan lined with parchment paper.
Yeah, we use we used this before on the crinkles, right?
Yes, sir. So now we're using it on the meringue.
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 Okay, so it's done. So we baked it for an hour.
Yeah.
And then we let it cool in the oven for additional 2 hours. Because if you just let it cool for 1 hour, it's gonna be chewy inside. If you want it chewy, just leave it in the oven for an hour. But if you want it crunchy, which what we wanted, is you are gonna leave it in the oven for 2 hours. So now it's time to
Taste
Taste test.
yeah, it's a little bit flat because our piping bag messed up. So we didn't get the form that we wanted, that the usual meringue has. But it's not about the looks, but the taste, right? Of course, it's still good if you make it, gonna make it look nice, right? So it's taste test. Let's try it.
I'll try this one.
It's crunchy.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah. So we're just gonna finish this. It's not a lot. It's very thin, each piece.
Look at
So let's
those.
just say goodbye to them.
Bye.
Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope you watch us again on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Once again, my name is Ace Orana, and these are my boys.
Hi.
And
God
also
bless-
the Arana brothers from another channel.
Exactly, they have their own channel, Orana Brothers. Please like and subscribe that channel as well. So this is it for today. Thank you so much once again, guys. Stay home, guys. Stay safe. We will get through this together. God bless all of you guys. Bye.